Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can enable the scroll zoom option in Visual Studio Code. If I try to scroll through my mouse scroll button, then I will be able to scroll the code. This is the index.html file, and I'm scrolling through Control plus scroll button on the my mouse. And to enable this, you have to go to the settings option, and from here and you have to click on the settings, and you have to enable this editor mouse wheel zoom. And also, if you want to enable the mouse wheel zoom for the terminal, then you can check this option here also. Then you will be able to zoom in the terminal also using the control plus mouse wheel button. And if I uncheck this, then I will not be able to scroll through control plus scroll button in the mouse. And if I check this here, and I will be able to scroll in the editor. So this is how we can enable the scroll feature in Visual Studio Code.